Hey guys, my name is Sadie and I'm the new host of Acrylic Chaser System. Today we're going to be doing an office tour, so buckle up and take a look. So over here, we just got a little something. I don't even know what I would call this. Just a nice decoration. Got a little fan. This entire wall, I'll step forward a little bit. This entire wall is actually going to be painted white. It's now like an eggshell color. It's going to be painted white and it'll have our artwork on it. We're starting to chip away at the wall, but you'll see why we can't continue that just yet in a moment. And then we have our closet, which we're not going to show you just yet. We might in a future video. Not yet, guys. We keep quite a bit in there, but currently there's Christmas presents, so I'm not going to be able to post that or show you guys inside just yet. Over here, we have our Little's Corner, where we're going to be doing Little's Corner videos. So we got our, here, let me switch the camera. We got our stuffed animals. And then down here, we got a few books. We have our little polar bear. The Littles chew toys, because they like to chew on things. Calendar, which we have not updated since, I can't even remember. That was 2 or 3 years ago. Then we got some office supplies and our desk setup. So we got our laptop and then a monitor attached. This is going to be where we do our live stream coming up on Saturday the 19th. Our chair. We got some supplies underneath here. And then we don't have anything in this fish tank currently. We also have a lamp and a waterfall. We don't have anything in the fish tank currently. We're going to be getting a beta for it. We had crabs, but the water is too hard for them. So they ended up passing away. We had them for about 3 weeks. And then we have this, a little fake bird cage, which we might put some stuff in. We also have these beautiful string lights. You can't really see the color all that well currently. That's okay. I'm sure you'll be able to see them in future videos. And then we have our window. And Rick's new setup. So if you guys don't know, this is our leopard gecko Maverick. We've had him since he was a baby. It's been about 3 years since we got him. He's just a love to have. We got some toilet paper rolls for him to climb through if he wants to. A little tunnel for him to get to his, what do you call it? Shed hide, I guess. His moist hide is over here. Got some rocks. This is a little fountain. We don't have it going yet because we don't have our plugins all set up correctly just yet. And then under here we got some storage. Rick's old tank, which we're going to be putting a new gecko in. I'm not sure when or what type of gecko, but that's the plan. And then over here, we have our rug. This is just a box of recyclable garbage. And then we have our resident rats. Over here we have Dorian's rats, and they are just beautiful little things. On the right we have summer, and on the left we have winter. We're working on getting them space down here for them. We're going to put some mesh so they can actually burrow in the bottom there, so they can nest. And then over here, we have our 2 parakeets. The left, we have a teal parakeet with a blue cheek and white face. Let me see if I can't get in here. Hold on. Let me just open this. I'll show them to you a little bit better. Hey guys. So on the left here, we have Magenta, who we're questioning the gender of. We can't tell what his or her Cree is doing, which is the color, let's see, right on the top of the beak. Not quite sure, but we think she's female. We were thinking male at first, but then looking at Jareth's Cree, you can see is turning a nice bright blue color. They're still really young. They're probably about 5-ish to 6 months old. We're waiting for them to... Hi, honey. We're waiting for them to molt so they can get their flight feathers and fly around. Oh, you want to come out? Do you want to step up? Do you want to step up? Yeah? Oh, what a good bird. Looks like Magenta wants to say hello to the camera. Hi, Magenta. Hi. Hi, what you doing? What you doing, Magenta? You looking? You want to go back? You want to go back? No? I think Magenta's obsessed with the camera. You want to step up there? Oh, what you doing? Go on. Back in the cage. Or back on my finger. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Huh? What do you want to do? Oh, there you go. Okay, it looks like Magenta wants to be out. It's past their bedtime currently. It's 10 o'clock. They usually go to bed at 9:30. Magenta's tasting my finger. Usually I have some seed for her. What you doing? What you doing? Magenta, it's not time to come out. Come on, step up. Go back in. Go back in. I don't have anything for you. Don't have anything for you. Come on. Go back in. Good bird. Can you step off? Thank you. Good bird. No, you're not coming back out. It's not time to come out. I was just showing you off, you silly bird. All right. And then here, we have a little showcase. We have some plastic animals. A book that says "Believe in Yourself." We may read quotes at the end of our videos. Comment down below if you'd like to hear some quotes at the end of videos from that book. We have a chalkboard, and we just have a couple more things here. Just some storage, and we got a nice fake plant. We got this, I think it was a gift. I can't remember, but it's pretty cool. Let me see if I can't get closer. See if it'll focus. It's pretty cool. I think it's a little storyboard. And then we have our storage for our animals. We got lizard, we got fish for when we do have fish, and then we have rat food. And then here we have our witch area or nap area, whichever we decide. So over here we're gonna put yarn in there, and then we got some scarves for altars if they want. Got some blankets on the floor to make it a little softer because this is just a wood floor. And then over here, we have our little stand. You can't really see very well because of the reflection. Let me see. There we go. We have a couple of books here. We're going to add more. We have our little burny thing. We burn stuff in there. We got a jar of dirt. We got an empty jar and 2 little jars. And then just have a couple of necklace stones. And over here, we have our palm reading book, some tea light candles, essential oils. Behind here, we have some candles. And the wall, pictures of our cats. We have Thick Boy, Mage, Shizzle, Willow, Drago, our birds. We have our tarot cards, our incense, our herbs, stones, candle. That's our spirit candle. And just a couple other things. And then we have some jewelry hung up, some candles, and a little bit more jewelry. Then we just kind of have a napping area. So I think that's pretty much it for our office. We're really excited for it. You can hear Drago screaming in the background. You'll meet him in the house tour video. And then we just kind of have something. Haven't done much with this yet. I don't know. What should we put on here? Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining us on our lovely office tour. It has been so long since we've had a proper place to film. And we're really excited about what we're going to be doing with it. You know, it's not completely finished. We were hoping it would be by this time. Been here for like a month and a half. But yeah, so comment down below what your favorite part is, what you enjoyed about it. And let me do one more sweep of the entire room. You can still hear Drago. He thinks he's been abandoned. Oh yeah, a little thing about birds. You cannot have candles or incense or anything like that. So we have a filter that's going into our little wall area to make sure that whatever we do end up burning doesn't float into here. We probably won't burn very often, and most of the time they'll be out of the room. But yeah, so we can't have candles, incense, wax burners, or anything like that. And we had to choose our... Oh my goodness, you guys. We had to choose our heater wisely because they can't have Teflon. They like the Teflon that comes on non-stick pans and things like that are toxic to birds. A lot of essential oils are toxic to birds. So we just have to be really careful with what we do in our office. But since we have 3 stories, we are definitely able to have a little bit more freedom than if it was just a 1-story house, especially since we're going to have air purifiers and such. If you guys have any questions about our birds, you can always ask us. But yeah, so we thought that you guys might want to know a little fun fact about birds. Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you tune in to our charity live stream event called Together United. It's a charity event for NAMI, the National... Oh God, what is it? National Alliance of Mental Illness. check out their website if you want to join in. You're more than welcome to stream as well. All the information for that will be down below in the description. But yeah, we hope that we see you there and that you look at all the different creators that are going to be live streaming throughout the day. Again, we named this Together United because we wanted not just people with d.i.d to be able to do this charity event, but we also want the mental health community to also be able to join in with us. So this is going to be a semi-annual event. The next time that we'll be doing this is in July, so that's a lot of fun. But yeah, so thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you on the 19th. Thank you so much.